Hello everyone, this is Iklavya of class 11 of RN Global Public School. Firstly, thank to Mrs. Pooja ma'am to giving me this wonderful opportunity to present myself in front of you. Here we are for a wonderful session on the presentation on the topic of trigonometry. Let's start. Firstly, what is trigonometry? Trigonometry is a combination of three words. The meaning of tree is three, and the meaning of geometry is side measurement. The measurements of three sides are known as trigonometry. Now discuss the functions of trigonometry. There are three functions of trigonometry. First one is sin x, second one is cos x, and third one is tan x. Sin x is equal to 1 by cosecant x, cos x is equal to 1 by secant x, and tan x is equal to 1 by cot x. Now talking about the angle. Rotating of a row of any about the initial row. I mean to say that this is our first point and this is our second point. It's 0, it's A. It is our initial position. When A moves to B, it is our final position. And this is our angle. Now talking about the relationship between the degree and the radian. Now talking about the relation between degree and the radian. Firstly, how to measure degree and how to measure radian. Firstly, how to measure radian. Radian is equal to pi by 180 into given degree. And how to measure degree is equal to 180 by pi into given radian. Let's take an example of radian and degree. First one is convert 30 degree into radian. How to measure degree radian? By using this formula. Using formula pi by 180 into given degree. And given degree is a 30 degree. We cancel out is equal to pi by 6. And pi by 6 is equal to 30 degree. Now let an example of degree. How to measure degree? Convert 22 radian to degree. By using this formula 180 by pi into given radian. Radian is 22. Here use the value of pi 180 by 22 into 7 and given radian is 22. Here cancel out 22. Now multiply 7 by 180. Here 1260 is given degree. Now talking about the quadrant. Now we talking about the quadrant. This is our quadrant, this is a x-axis and this is a y-axis. It starts from 0 and complete to 360. Let's 0, 90, 180, 270 and complete is here 360. There are 4 quadrants. First, second, third and fourth. There is a trick to find a quadrant after school to college. After school to college. The means of A is all positive of trigonometric functions are positive in the first quadrant. All positive in the first quadrant. Now talking about the second quadrant, as for sine and the cosecant theta are the positive in the second quadrant and remains are the negative in the second quadrant. Now talking about the third quadrant, t is a tan and opposite of tan is a cot. Tan and cot are only positive in the third quadrant and remains are the negative in third. Now talking about the fourth quadrant, c is a cos and the secant. These two are the positive in the fourth quadrant and all remains are the negative. This is 0, this is pi by 2, this is pi, this is 3 by 2 and this is 2 pi. Now talking about the conversion of the trigonometric function according to the quadrant. Firstly, talking about the sine and the cos. Sine x change into the cos and cos is equal to change into the sine. Now talking about the tan, tan is change into the cot and cot change into the tan. Third one is cosecant. Cosecant is equal to change in the secant and secant change into the cosecant. This is all for the trigonometric function. I hope you all clear my points wonderfully. This is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.